Okay, we're halfway into the final full week of September 23rd, 2020. Tyler Hayes here, 2055. I am in Ladysmith for some action here. And we do have work going on at Ladysmith Yard, and we'll have a GEVO in front for, I think that could be M344. Maybe doing a set out and pickup. Currently have a high green indication behind me near 353.01. And 0519 power is still tied up until it will be used again later in the week. Meanwhile, our leading GEVO is now making the reverse. After finishing up with the set out and pickup, as the Ladysmith switch for the south side locked main to main. As soon as all the switches are normal, this southbound of the 344 we'll head on southbound to Point. So in the meantime, we'll hang tight and see what happens next. Earlier this morning, we had that Tier 4 demo humpback that was trailing in the second slot on the S772 this morning. Had an ES44 lead, and I couldn't tell which four surviving and soon to be MEI rebuild Tier 4s are. Hopefully that will be determined a little bit later, because it did swap from this morning's S773 that had the two Tier 4s, 3082 and the 3267, and I believe the DPU of the 2889 ES44 AC. So in the meantime, we will hang tight and wait on the M344 to come south, because it's just now going over 353.88. Hang tight. Alright, 2117, the 344 is put back together and is starting away from North Ladysmith, ready to take it on south to Point. So our GEVO leading as expected. Let's check him out as we lean back and get him. Here we go as it accelerates away from Ladysmith. Alright, 344 is here. Here's last pass for tonight. Taking her time down there. She's thunders away from Ladysmith. We'll see who's behind him. Back. actually got more to set out or not, but that may be questionable. Let's see. Gate drop confirmed. $38.82, another Tier 4 credit. $31.32 again. And GTW 58-50. G38-2, first one. I saw the 31-32 lead on the M344, but there she was again. Plus the 38-82. Now it's got the Grand Truck Western 58-50 in the third. First, GTW GP38-2. CN3132 was previously GECX 2043. Let's check out the rest of the M344. Nicely now. Last of M344. UNICEF 522 and the train device is going. What a catch. Man, oh man. I was not expecting this, but I have. 3882 again, plus the 3132. But now it had a GTW GP38-2 in the third. There's the 5850. And off it rolls to point. The M344, and we'll do it here in Ladysmith. Tyler Hayes out. And a bonus coming up.